Did you know that around 700,000 people get lost in the wilderness in the US alone each year? That's roughly the population of San Francisco. What if I told you that many of them could have been rescued if they only knew how to signal for help? Today, we're diving into a life-saving skill: how to effectively signal for help when you find yourself stranded in the wilderness. Understanding this is not just important, it's crucial for survival. Being lost can turn into a dire situation within hours. With every ticking minute, the threat of exposure and starvation grows. Imagine the panic of realizing your cell phone is dead or out of service, leaving you without a lifeline. The harsh reality is that in these moments, your ability to signal for help could mean the difference between life and death. Let's explore some effective methods of signaling for help. First, visually. You can create large symbols on the ground with rocks or branches, or use reflective materials like mirrors or cell phone glass. For auditory signals, consider blowing a whistle or banging on metal. These sounds carry over long distances. Understanding your environment is just as vital. For example, setting a smoky fire can signal your location to rescuers, and knowing how to create a human signal can draw attention from aerial search. Here's a game changer. A simple but powerful technique is the SOS, signal using 3 fires in a triangle or 3 loud blasts on a whistle. This universally recognized distress signal can attract the attention you desperately need. Remember, it's not just about having the right tools. It's about knowing how to use them effectively in a crisis. So, today we've learned vital signaling techniques to help you communicate your distress in the wilderness, whether through visual signs, sounds, or understanding your environment. Every second counts when you're in danger. I'd love to hear from you. Share your own survival stories in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on outdoor safety, because knowledge is the first step to survival.